G'day! In today's video, I'm going to be replacing the battery in this Samsung Galaxy SM-T280. So it's a fairly old machine. This one's only purely getting used for a GPS and a tractor. So I'll be replacing it with a brand new genuine battery. This one. So there's a lot of batteries floating out there that I believe are mostly crap, but we'll see how we go with this one. Now, to begin with, I'm assuming we're going to want to take the back cover off this. So I'm going to use a pry tool. It's isopropyl, as I always do. So, isopropyl, pry tool, heat pad. Now, I'm not sure if these are stuck in or if they're clipped in, but we'll find that soon enough. Righto, going by how far I can dig in here, they feel like they're clips. We'll switch that out, get something a bit more fatter. And let's see, that's going in. There we go. So now that I've got an entry point here, I'll switch it over to another pry tool. So a plastic one. Excellent. We're in. Granted, we do have many broken tabs, but we'll worry about that later. Do have a customer's phone ringing right now. That's alright. I'm going to use these tweezers here. Let's now lift this up. Go, taking the tape off. This latch here goes up and towards you, and from there, this little tab here, let's see if we can pull it out with the tweezers. No, that's not one to leave. Wiggle, 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 and we're out. Next up, say this bit here. Pull, hands only. Let's give that a shot. Very straightforward. And we're out. A little bit of adhesive there. I'm going to transfer that back down to here. Go. One new battery. Those plastic bits out of there. Now I want to put the new screen battery in, lift the latch up, push in. See how I went past the line here? There's a gold line going across. Push past it. We want to either match it or exceed it. Pull your latch down, sit your battery in, push the battery down, work your way down the battery. Go. Make sure it's attached. We're not going anywhere. Brilliant. Now, put your original tape back to its position. Let's see how we go getting this back cover back on. I do believe I'm probably going to have to use a little bit of adhesive. I'm actually looking at it. There's already traces of adhesive in there from the factory. We definitely see over here. So you could either choose to use some double-sided tape, which in this instance I might. Alternatively, you could use some frame adhesive, B7000, but I'm just going to go with the tape method on this older tablet. As it's really not going to matter too much, considering this one's going to live in a case. The case is going to put pressure on it, push the back into the phone itself, or into the device, the tablet, and it's not really going to move anyway. So that's not a drama. Down. Go. There we go. Two, three, four, and five. So now I'm ready for the back cover to go back on. So it's just a matter of brute forcing it and squishing it around. Yep. There we go. So the adhesive mightn't actually even be necessary, but it's best to have too much than too little. So there we go. We've now replaced the battery and the SM-T280. Hope this helps you, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.